Jabulani Khumalo loses court battle over control of Umkhonto weSizwe Party's bank account. Jabulani Khumalo loses court battle over control of Umkhonto weSizwe Party's bank account. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why Not TV? Please subscribe. Jabulani Khumalo, the former leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe MK party, has lost a significant legal battle in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria over control of the party's bank account, which receives substantial donations. The court's ruling has officially removed Khumalo as a signatory to the account, marking a major blow to his influence within the organization. The case stemmed from internal disputes within the MK party, with allegations of financial mismanagement and political infighting becoming the center of the legal wrangling. Khumalo, who has been expelled from the party leadership earlier this year, had fought to retain his access to the bank account, arguing that this removal was unlawful and that he had been unfairly ousted. In a judgment handed down on Monday, the Gauteng High Court found that Khumalo no longer had any legal standing to remain a signatory on the MK party's bank account. The court noted that his expulsion from the party had followed the proper procedures and that his continued control over the financial resources of the party was untenable. Judge Tabilso Dlamini, who presided over the case, stated, "The evidence clearly shows that the former leader has been lawfully removed from his position within the party, and it is improper for him to continue to have control over the party's financial resources." The ruling went on to order Standard Bank, which holds the MK party's account, to remove Khumalo as a signatory and to update the account's authorization in line with the party's current leadership. In his defense, Khumalo argued that his removal was politically motivated and part of an orchestrated effort to sideline him and his faction within the party. He claimed that his contributions to the MK party, particularly in attracting donations, had been vital to its survival and that he had a rightful claim to continue overseeing the financial affairs of the organization. The MK party, which traces its roots to armed wing of the African National Congress ANC during the anti-apartheid struggle, has evolved into a political organization that draws on the legacy of its past but has struggled to find a coherent direction in the post-apartheid era. The recent infighting has weakened the party's standing in South Africa's political landscape, and many believe that the court's ruling could be a turning point. Jabulani Khumalo's loss in court marks a significant shift in the power dynamics within the Umkhonto weSizwe party. As the former leader is removed from his role in managing party's funds, the MK party's leadership will face the challenge of uniting the organization and restoring its credibility. All eyes will now be on how the party moves forward from this tumultuous chapter. Court orders Standard Bank to remove expelled MK party member Khumalo from account. The Gauteng High Court in Pretoria has ordered the Standard Bank to remove Jabulani Khumalo, an expelled member of the Umkhonto weSizwe MK political party, as a signatory on the party's bank account. This follows a legal challenge by the MK party leadership after Khumalo's continued access to the party funds despite his expulsion earlier this year. The court's ruling comes after months of internal disputes within the MK party, where Khumalo, a former high-ranking official, was ousted due to alleged misconduct and accusations of misusing party resources. Despite his expulsion, Khumalo retained his signatory rights to the party's bank account, leading to concerns about the potential mismanagement of funds. In his judgment, Judge Mpomolefe emphasized the importance of aligning financial control with current leadership structures. He noted that Khumalo's continued role as a signatory undermined the authority of the party's leadership and posed a risk to the party's financial integrity. The respondent's position as a signatory to the party's account is incompatible with his expulsion. The interests of the party must be protected, and control over its resources should rest with the rightful leadership, Judge Mulife stated. The court has instructed the Standard Bank to immediately revoke Khumalo's access to the account and ensure that only authorized members of the party's leadership hold the signatory rights. MK's leadership welcomed the ruling, calling it a victory for accountability and transparency. In a statement, the party reaffirmed its commitment to maintaining proper financial management and protecting its assets. Khumalo's legal team has indicated that they are considering an appeal, though no formal steps have been taken yet. Standard Bank has confirmed that it will comply with the court's order. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe.